Django, storing user preferences. I am still very new to Django and trying to figure out what is the best approach for the following problem. I want to store user personal preferences, things user likes or dislikes, as simple Boolean values, true or false. The thing is that preferences are not fixed and new preferences can be added via admin interface. This is what I have in mind. Preferences. Values. Is this the way to go or is there some better approach? Also, what would be the best way to make a form that displays all available preferences with checkboxes, but sets initial values to check for those preferences which user has already marked?
If all your preferences values are Boolean, then yes, that way could be acceptable. And if you want to handle the preferences values with Django forms, you should take a look at Django form sets. But if you want to make something Ajax-able, you should also take a look at this Django snippets article.
Can try using the package Django user preferences, this URL. I did not use it yet, but was researching on the similar requirement for capturing user preferences, and got to know above link, hoping that will help others thus posted here. We'll be using this soon to check how it works, and if it satisfy all my requirements.
If you want to do it, this is necessary.